In this tutorial, I want to show you the ARRAYTOTEXT function in Excel. So this function just gets an array and turns it into a list that is formatted to be separated like a comma. And it's extremely useful if you want your list to be stored in some sort of CSV or JSON type format. So to show you how to use it, you can do equals array to text. And this function is great too because it's very easy to use. So the first argument is the array. So what array do you want to be formatted? And even if your array has like numbers, it will have the numbers formatted as text. So comma, and there's the format. So there's two different formatting options: a 0 for concise, which is default, and then the 1, which is strict, which uses the escape characters in the formatting. So pressing 0 for concise, which is easy to read, and press 0, and as you can see, it's the Audis in all three: A3, Audi A3, the Tesla Model S, Jeep, the Wrangler in the list right here. And then to show you what the second format looks like, and as you can see, it formats it using escape characters, which can be very useful depending on how you are trying to store the data. Now, one of the benefits that this function has over the text split function, for example, is that it will automatically format your array with escape characters, as you can see, like it does right here, which can be a little bit harder to implement using a concat or a text join function, and it's also extremely easy to use. And the consistent formatting makes it using the stuff you get from this formula just easier to use in other applications. And also, too, it can be nested in other ways to make what you're working with easier. So for example, let's just say we want to have an array to text on the unique model, right? We can do unique to get the unique model, and we can get array to text. Array to text. And we want the format to be strict because we want the escape characters. And as you one for strict, and as you can see, it is formatted with escape characters for the unique models that are in the list. And also too, you can assign a sort or a VStack or HStack, whatever you want to really get the data in a way that you want it to, and then have it sorted in a way that you want it to. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.